Hey, welcome to Tip Tuesday. I'm back out here by the water, y'all know. I like to be out here where it's fresh, where it's open, where it's free, breathing fresh air. Tip Tuesday. Unbelievable belief. Unbelievable belief. Your belief in yourself should be so outrageous that no matter what anyone says, no matter what anyone does, you are going to work hard and continue focusing on your goal until you get there. Because that's all we got. At the end of the day, that's all we got is our belief and our continuous work ethic. Excuse me. Unbelievable belief to the point where even if you see it's not working, you still are like, nope, nope, this is it, we gonna do it. Just believing to the point of people think you crazy. Or people think you're not well. I'll say that. That kind of belief. Do you have that kind of belief in yourself?